Hi, I'm Mike Santora, Associate Editor for Fluid Power World Magazine, and I'm coming to you from the Fluid Power Tech Conference in Cleveland. Today I am here with Valerie Bahoric from Lynch Fluid Controls. Valerie, thank you for being with us.
Thank you. Thanks for being here.
So, I want to talk, we mentioned earlier that we were talking a little bit about some of the common questions that you get from your engineers. What problems do your products solve, and what did you want to feature today here at the Tech Conference?
Right. So a lot of what we do is we work with engineers that might not be as familiar with fluid power or hydraulics, and they'll come to us with just a problem. I have a machine, it's doing this or doing that, and we can work from start, so the concept, all the way through to the final product. We do the machining of hydraulic manifold blocks, and then we can integrate it with lots of different components, valves, electronics, and those types of things to give them a full hydraulic manifold package subsystem.
Is there any specific component or anything that's hot right now that people are trying to get their hands on? What's I guess driving business for Lynch right now?
Everything's about IoT, I'd say. So one big project we're working on right now is the smart manifold. So that would include sensing valves and other items like that to let the customer know ahead of time, if something's going to go wrong down the line, right? It senses the pressure, it senses fluid temperatures and things like that. And then the customer can see, okay, I'm going to have to replace this valve or replace this part down the line. So IoT is a big thing right now, I think, in our industry.
Yeah, so would you say that IoT and predictive maintenance, when did that really start to ramp up, so to speak? Is this within the last year or a few years back?
There's been a buzz about it, I guess, for a little while now. For us, we've been focusing, and we've put a team together to really focus and drive this product home in the last year.
So you have a dedicated team specifically for IoT.
Yes. Yeah.
Very interesting. So what's next from the IoT division at Lynch? Anything you can talk about?
Yeah, well, I'd say the new smart manifold, and we actually plan on releasing it at the upcoming IFBE show.
And Valerie, can you tell us a little bit more about where people can learn more about Lynch Fluid Controls?
Yes, absolutely. Visit us at lynch.ca to learn all about our product offerings and what Lynch could do to help you.
And of course, you can always learn more about Fluid Power World on fluidpowerworldonline.com.